Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. We're going to be focusing on the central angles of a circle and how that relates to the arcs of a circle. So if you're studying this in your geometry class, why don't you take a look. This will be a little bit of a challenge for you, hopefully, and let's take a look. In order for you to be able to answer the questions that I'm going to pose for you in a second, I just want to throw a few quick review things at you. And it's the idea, again, of a central angle of a circle. And if I know that that angle right there, angle BOC, is 45 degrees, remember that that also means that this arc, the actual curved part here, is, and we'll write it like this, measure of arc BC, okay, curved line over the top, and that's also in degrees. So it happens to be the same as the central angle that causes it. So the arc measure is 45 degrees. All right. So we can also kind of figure out some of these other things. Also notice that if I have a diameter, and I can tell because it becomes through the center of the circle at point O, that's a semicircle arc, isn't it? Because that's 180 degrees there. All right. Obviously, if it's a diameter, it's a 180 degree angle inside there and on the other side. And that tells me also that the major arc is a semicircle. Major arcs are named with 3 letters, so we'll call it A, E, D, and put our arc symbol over the top, and that would be 180 degrees also. All right, so arc measure is the same as the central angle that makes it. All right, probably review for you. Now, I want you to try 3 problems here. All right, let's look at this diagram, and I'm going to be, in this video, focusing on numbers 5, 6, and 7. Look for the next video, which will be 8, 9, and 10, just for practice. So we have a circle labeled P because its center point is P, and of course we have these 4 central angles. All right, so we know that in circle P, measure of angle 2 is the same as measure of angle 1. And the measure of angle 2 is 4x plus 35, and angle 1 is 9x plus 5. All right, so obviously number 5, we're looking for x. Number 6, we're looking for the measure of arc AE, which would be this one. And the measure of ED, which is going to be this one. All right, so knowing that information, let's check it out. Pause the video and give it a try. All right, if we get for number 5 here, looking for x, what we have to do is find an equation here. Angle 2 is 4x plus 35. Angle 1 is 9x plus 5. We can make those equal to each other because of this first information here, right? So, angle 1 is 9x plus 5. Let's write that down. And angle 2 is equal to it, and that's 4x plus 35. So we are going to go ahead and solve this equation, and that will give us x. First thing we do is subtract 5 from each side, and that will give me 9x equals 4x plus 30. Now we subtract 4x from each side, and I have 5x equals 30. Divide each side by 5, and that of course would be 6. So x equals 6, and that is going to be my first answer. All right, now if we're looking for a measure of arc AE, that is this right here, and then it's going to be the same as the central angle, so that's going to be 2. Let's go ahead and just substitute the x value of 6 into the angle 2 expression. Now it's 4x plus 35, so that's really 4 times 6 plus 35. And that's going to be 24 plus 35, which is 59. All right, now pretty easy. All we had to do is substitute in 59. Now it turns out that angle arc ED right here comes from central angle 1, and we know that's the same. So We got off pretty easy here with these questions, but again, this is the first video of this series and a viewer challenge here. We're going to look at these next 3 problems, which hopefully will give you more of a challenge. All right, thanks for watching. Share this with other people if you'd like, and send me some comments. All right, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard and take care.